Hey guys, I go by the name Chukwuka Fidelis Bob, aka Greatness the Creator. I'm an artist and a creative. Make music. Um, I just feel like I was born this way. Like I've been making music since I can remember. Like I just keep singing, making music.
From the tummy.
Like as I could talk,
It's
like
carrying come, follow come.
as I could talk, like
You
I
started
could sing.
singing from there.
I started singing, so that's just it. Okay, basically, I call my sound trap fusion. Like I call it trap fusion. I like I've always been a big fan of hip hop and a lot of genre, not just hip hop. So, but hip hop is like my favorite of all the genres. So, trap music especially because of the energy. I'm Gen Z and we came up on listening to this kind of music. So, I tend to like collect elements from other genre, from Afro beats, high life, any R&B, any type of genre. I just fuse them together to create my own like special sound, like trap fusion. So it's wild. I feel like the fusion that I'm doing actually makes what I'm doing like special and different because also I'm Greatness the Creator. So that's what it is. Basically like my top five favorite of all time would be Kanye West, Kendrick Lamar, Burna Boy, Ashake, I have to put a few of there, Billie Eilish, and Future Hendrix, Future, Pluto, King Pluto. Like listening to people like Kanye, Kendrick, these guys are like geniuses, or Future Hendrix, these guys are geniuses. These are like voices of a certain generation, and this is something I've always wanted to be like something that could like represent something bigger. So they always motivate me based off like my own goals, almost like on the same level. So listening to them puts me in that mood and that proper mindset for me to be able to like go in and make shit happen. Well, generally, I'm like passing my energy like straight positive vibe, but I still tend to call it like the music is more self-conscious. I'm talking about like about myself and how I deal with things and how I look at things, like my own perspective of things and how I tend to like see things and deal with things. So my music is basically self-conscious, me telling story and passing my own energy, which is most time always positive, but in general it's positive vibe in general. I'm trying to like pass, but my own unique energy. That's just what it is, self-conscious music. I've been working on an EP, and this EP is going to be very, very, very crazy, like very, very crazy. Tight for your ears only, like I'm just giving you like hints, but for your ears only, and it's going to be like mad. But I still have a single coming that I'll drop before the EP. I just want you guys to stay tuned because I'll be dropping straight fire. I'll just say. My biggest challenge, I feel like it's actually getting the right platform, like the right platform that understands the artist and what inspires the artist and what drives the artist, so they could actually back the artist to be able to get to the place where he can be able to like spread whatsoever he has in a larger audience. Because most times most of the people we meet they don't understand the artist. They might have the platform and they might have almost everything, but they don't understand arts and the artist themselves and how they express themselves. So it's not like they know the business part, but like if there's the artist, like giving the right artist the opportunity to do what he's supposed to do freely. So that's all maybe being like one of my biggest struggles, because they tend to like stereotype the whole thing and like go on favoritism based off where you're from or who you're coming with or who brought you in and the rest. But we as artists, we are like unique, and once we are unique, it doesn't matter where you're from or where you're from or what you have behind you. Once you have what it takes, that I feel like that opportunity should be given to you. So like that's always been my struggle, like like making music for an artist. You can connect with me on Instagram, Greatness the Creator, Facebook, Greatness the Creator, Twitter, Greatness the Creator, TikTok, Greatness the Creator. I'm everywhere. So just follow up to just be updated, you know. Um, my biggest advice is just like, you know, just be yourself, put your faith in God. That's all you need, man. Believe in yourself, put your faith in God, and everything is just going to clear out because He's actually the one that motivates us. God is here, and everything we need is inside of Him. So just believe in yourself, focus. We all have something that we are here for. Focus on yourself, and once you get it, He's also going to give you everything you need to get to where you want to get to. So just focus on yourself, believe in yourself, and your faith in God. That's all. Okay. I'm from Imo State, but I was born and raised in Port Harcourt City, Cairo. So like I'm a PH boy. Like I was raised there, like from June to town. I grew up there, so I just had to move down to here to like pull up. So that's just it. But shout out to my PH niggas, Cairo niggas, the outside.
Thank you.